everybody, Jaws Jr. here for an in-shop adventure. In this adventure is me doing an opening, an unboxing, I guess is the correct term for this. A buddy of mine, Jonathan, sent this to me. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up and I'm going to share with you what we got. Okay. Here we go. So hopefully I can do this all one-handed. See if that did the trick. Yep, it did the trick. For those who are wondering, electrician's knife. It's packed up good, and the box did suffer some damage. Look at that. Typical post office box. They're not the easiest when it comes to packages. So we've got some good packing stuff here. Oh, look at there. Look at that big chunk of rose quartz. Oh my gosh. That is incredible. That is incredible. So, let's find the note. Now we got some stuff here. Amethyst from the Arkansas Diamond Mine. Very cool. And this is Swirl Chert. I like knowing what I'm getting that has names associated with it. Jasper from Alabama. I'm going to have to open up this here. Oh, look at the greens in that. Look at the greens in that. I will open these up separately. Get this out of the way. What we got here? Look, busted bag. So pull this up. Doesn't surprise me the way things are done. Quartzite from the pit. So we got 3 pieces there. Very cool. So this is all quartzite from the pit. It's got some banding in it there. I mean, some seam stuff going on there. Look at the details on this. I'll come back to them. But look at the detail on that. That will polish up cool. This will be done in a separate video. Ding dong, somebody thinks I'm important. So, we'll get this over here so I can get this box out of the way and we can examine things closely. OMGT. Can't. Okay, we got it. The note says, seam agate from Arkansas Diamond Mine. And you know what's scary about this is I was just a short distance from there for work, and I never went to those diamond mines, to the diamond public dig area. Oh wow, that's cool. Okay, I know what it is. I'm going to look at this next one, and then I'll get this big box out of the way. Put this with that. Then another one of these here that escaped from the brook. So, Memphis agates and coral. Very neat. Okay, set this out, and we'll be right back with you. Okay. Now, some of this footage may have some strange effects going on it. It's from the LED lighting in the camera. This camera's not too happy with the LED lighting in the shop sometimes. So let's start up here, up front. Amethyst from the Arkansas diamond mine. That is sweet. There's a little bit of a purple hue to that. That's cool. Jonathan, thank you. Thank you, Jonathan. I appreciate this. Now, let's go the seam agate from the Arkansas diamond mine. So there's some of the seam agate there. Stuff is pretty smooth. Love it. And then Memphis agates and coral. Ooh, that's neat. Look at the banding in that. Very cool. Now, Jasper from Alabama. There we go. Look at the colors of that. I've never seen Jasper that looks like that before. Wow. And then we have quartzite from what he's got called the pit. Sounds like me, my super secret spot where I could get all kinds of cool material out of. But this here, I wanted to really look at that one. I want to wet that one down. here. That's sweet. Now, that one there, a little bit, you can see down on the edge over there. Sorry about kicking you. I mean, my big feet got in the way. Put you back where we were. Okay. And then finally, the swirled shirt. That's cool. Well, oh, of course, we gotta talk about this. I have a small chunk of it. This is a huge, huge piece of rose quartz. I will clean this one up. I don't know what I'll do with it. It's beautiful the way it is. Wow. So Jonathan, thank you. This was incredible. Truly some incredible looking material here. And I'll be getting your box out to you here real soon, now that the supplies that I need finally came in. And you and I will talk. But I've got a couple ideas that I'm going to put inside your box for you. So there you go, everybody. I'm going to let you guys go. Just remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine. Rock hounding at home. Thank you to Jonathan. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya!